Alright, go ahead and open them. Ooh, what is it? Come here, you want me to open the box for you? Let me see your box.
Brianna's got a box too.
Alright. Hold on, don't open it yet.
Wait till Brianna.
Wait till Brianna gets hers.
Hold it until Brianna gets hers.
Get it here, Brianna. I'll open it for you.
Lexi, wait for Brianna. Just hold it like that. Don't peek. It's a surprise. These things are really sealed, aren't they?
You ready? Alright, open them.
What'd you get, Brianna?
You always talk about you're hungry.
Send her for our food.
What? You always talk about how hungry you are.
You not sad, Brianna?
No, I'm just mad. Get that camera away from me. I said, get that camera away from me.
Look, there's the real
What's
present.
this? Well,
Shake them first.
Daddy. And this one's for Brianna. And
Shake
this
it.
one's for Lexi. Shake it. See what you think it is. What is it? No, like a puzzle. I think it might be more rice.
Oh, no.
Go ahead. Tear it to them.
I knew it was a puzzle. I told you, Daddy.
Open it.
I told you, Daddy, it was going to be a puzzle.
You like it, Lex?
Now can I go throw this away?
Yeah, hold on. I'll throw everybody's away. What is it, Maddie? What is that? Wow. Give it to Brianna.
No, no more presents till Christmas Eve.
I don't think I can hold that.
Maybe tomorrow I'll let y'all have your rice.
No.